here at the University of Washington, we have a really long history of thinking about plants. And this medicinal herb garden, in the history of our campus, it used to be 7 acres right here in the middle of the campus.
We pack about 1,500 boxes a year, going out into about 140 different people. So CSA stands for Community Supported Agriculture. So that's UW Dining, Farm to Campus. You have Farm to the Community because the CSA is people who are not related to UW. They're also faculty, students, and staff. And it's about an even split.
I work a lot with undergraduate students and grad students, as well as sort of the big system of UW to try to make this place easier for you to get through and make sure that you can achieve your academic goals while you're doing that. Part of that is addressing food insecurity for students. This came to our attention back in 2015, I want to say, is when it started to emerge. And we became aware that more and more students were struggling to put food on their plate for one reason or another, and started looking at sort of the holistic ways that we could address food insecurity for students.
It's wonderful because here in this little man-made river are a bunch of very cool plants. So there's some mint, some aquatic mint there with the purple flowers. There's cattails here, and cattails are plants that have a tuber, which in the spring you can harvest and eat and grind it into flour.
So these are all going to be dug by students. These are potatoes.
The potatoes.
This is all potatoes. Seeing how, if I could just reach down and get them.